In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own trend indicator in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart. Any market or time frame works, just pick something you are comfortable testing on. With your chart visible, look to the bottom panel and click the Pine Editor tab. This is where you'll write a small Pine script to power your indicator. In the editor, click New and choose Indicator. Tradingview will load a basic template so you don't have to set up the structure manually. Delete the default code so you are working from a clean slate. Now define the core of your trend logic. A straightforward and effective starting point is a simple moving average, often called an SMA. Conceptually, an SMA smooths out price by averaging recent closes over a chosen length. When price is consistently above the SMA, that can suggest an uptrend. When it's below, that can suggest a downtrend. In PineScript, you'll calculate the SMA, compare the current close to that average, and then decide how to visualize the result. For visualization, you have two easy options. Use bar color to color candles based on the trend. For example, green when price is above the SMA and red when it's below. This makes trend shifts obvious at a glance. Or, use plot shape to place small markers like triangles or arrows right on the bars when a change occurs, such as the first bar closing above or below the SMA after being on the other side. Either way, keep your colors and shapes clear and consistent so the chart remains readable. When your logic and visuals are set, click Save to store the script to your Tradingview account. Give it a name that describes the method and length you used so you can find it later. Then click Add to Chart. Your indicator will appear immediately, and you should see the colors or shapes reflecting your trend conditions across the chart. If anything doesn't compile, look at the console message beneath the editor. It will point to the line and the type of issue, like a missing parenthesis, a stray comma, or a misspelled variable. Fix the exact spot the message highlights, save again, and re-add to the chart if needed. As you review the results, feel free to adjust parameters such as the SMA length or the color choices to better match your trading style. But keep the logic simple so signals remain clear. That's it. Thanks for watching.